What's up, you guys? So welcome to this video. I just got done recording my reactions video with my cousins, and I get a message from Garrett saying he's on the mountain and he sheared his trans mount. So I'm on my way up. He's gonna weld it on the mountain using car batteries, and I don't know exactly what, to be honest. So hopefully he's okay with this going on YouTube, and we'll see how he does it. So stay tuned for that. So we have arrived. Garrett, can you explain to them what happened?
Oh man, well, this bad boy is just so powerful. It snapped its trans mount clean off. So I'm gonna have to attempt to stick weld it.
Show them your setup. Explain your setup to them.
Oh man, we got a bunch of batteries here and a bunch of cables, and fuck, I hope it don't explode. That'll be my best case scenario. If something gets welded, that's cool too. All of this makes me so nervous. I don't like any part of this. Holy shit.
You're doing just fine, sweetheart. Thanks, honey.
Oh, hunty. Oh, dear God. If I die...
It'll all be on tape.
Oh, man.
You just need a really long stick.
Oh, God. Oh, God, I really hope this works, like, through the paint and everything else. Like, goddamn. Do I have all those cables hooked up? Are these live?
Yeah.
The complete circuit? Yeah. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I have not been this nervous in my entire life. This really sucks. I can't imagine anything else I want to do less.
Let us know before you go live.
Oh, you know what? I think I goofed again.
Why?
Oh, it was positive electrode that worked, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Now, if I knew how to stick weld, this probably worked pretty okay. Oh. Oh, God. So when it gets stuck, it just short circuits, and that's really scary. Oh, it's really stuck. Oh, God.
That's bright red.
Wow. That's fucking scary. Whoa. Oh, you know what? I realized the problem.
What?
The piece of metal that I'm touching is the bushing like loop, and that is not attached to any other part of the car.
Gotcha.
Don't you get stuck. And I can't get a high enough angle. Oh, that's so bright, it hurts. I do be welding though.
Is it working?
I don't know if it's working, I just know that it's welding.
This actually looks really cool on camera.
Yeah, I bet. I wish I brought my... Did I bring it?
I'm gonna be blind.
Line it up and then close your eyes.
I'm trying to like see if I can move the bead up to make that other piece of metal just like trellis or like conductive. If I could get them to touch. See if the bushing holder is not electric yet, it means that I haven't welded anything. No, you don't. No, you don't. Stop it.
You all good?
When it gets stuck, it like catches fire immediately.
Yeah.
Stop it. Stop it.
Of course my battery's dead.
Oh, F.
We got 4 more.
Oh, there you go.
Oh. I get so scared when it gets stuck. I need to fill the gap between the two pieces. I might have to like weld a wrench in between them. Just so that there's metal touching both, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I dislike everything about what I'm doing right now, but we're gonna go for it.
Another battery. What do I get for not charging?
Dude, same. I left my other battery in my Subaru. So.
Oh yes, full. I found
I
it.
was gonna say, I think I got a Nikon battery. Hey, there's the signal.
Oh, alright, well I'm gonna say that's good enough for me to limp this thing home. And if my shifter, you know, tries to give me a hug, then I know it's broke. I'm very thankful that I did have this meme back there.
So show them the setup.
Oh yeah, got my professional stick electrode holder. My, I don't know how many amps TIG welder. Oh boy, that was some scary shit. If you ever have to do this, don't. Just call a tow truck.
Well, guys, I'm on my way home. He was able to weld it, like using car batteries and sticks, like the stick welding. Like he was able to do it. He welded it enough to be able to get it home. So I'll ask him for an update, and I'll update you guys on the next video. But yeah, I mean, I hope you guys found that entertaining. There's nothing this guy can't do, apparently. Freaking, we're in the middle of, like, on the top of the mountain with literally just, there was 4 car batteries and 4 of us, and we were all just kind of there hoping he wouldn't blow up, but I mean, he didn't. He did it, and yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you guys thought. Peace.